Hi everybody, this is your teacher Bilal Ahmed. Today we are going to start the topic 3.3. In this topic 3.3, we're gonna learn how to use the right materials. Okay, using the right materials. In the last lesson in 3.2, we learned different materials like glass. We learn about plastic. We learn about fabric, and we learn about rocks. Okay, and wood. So here are the different materials we learn in the 3.2. So today we have the material glass. Okay, we have to look for why do we need different materials. Okay, so first we have to know the glass. Why we need glass to see through? Why we don't use the wood? Why we don't use the rock to look other side? Okay, we can look through. We can look outside. The problem is the rock is not transparent, right? We cannot look outside from the rock. It's black. Even we cannot use the wood. The wood is not transparent. Okay, the wood is not transparent. We cannot look through like this boy. This boy is looking outside from the glass. He can see the people, he can see the cars, he can see birds, he can see sun in the sky, right? He can see different things around the window, right? So the word is not help us to see through, and stone also not helpful to see through. So let's look what is transparent. This glass is transparent. We can look outside, we can look the other side from the window. So why are windows made of glass? Why we don't use the wood and the rocks? Simple, the wood and the rocks are not transparent. We cannot look the other side from the rock and wood. So the glass is a good material. We can see through the window. Could a window be made of different materials? Yes, but we need glass. Glass is the perfect material to see through. So the other materials cannot help us. 3. So we discussed already in the class. Talk to friends about your ideas. So every material has different properties, like plastic is absorbent. Sorry, the plastic is waterproof, and jumper, the cloths absorbent. They soak all the water. And the glass is also waterproof. The water will not get inside from the window. So let's look this example. The glass is transparent. Can you see this house? This house has a window and a door. So this window and door made of glass. So glass help us to look outside, but the wood will block. We cannot look from the wood and the plastic. So glass is the only good material to look outside. We can see the trees, we can see the houses, we can see people. But this wood, we cannot look outside because wood is not transparent. Here is the example of glasses, right? So here we use this glass, okay, because this glasses use this is made of glass and glass is transparent. So if you put wood in this glass, you cannot look the other side, right? So the glass is helpful for this glasses, right? So glass is transparent. We can see the buildings, we can see the things around you. Okay, let's talk about the wood. Can you see the wood in this picture? So what is the property of wood? Wood is hard. Wood is hard. It is not soft and strong. We can make wood into chairs and tables. Can you see this picture? This chair made of wood. Why we don't use the glass? Because glass can be break. So we use wood because it is hard and strong. We will not use the glass because glass is glass is weak. Okay, it can break when you put more things. Let's talk about the plastic. Can you see the plastics? We have cup, we have glasses, bowl, plates, and different things. So why we use plastic? Because plastic is waterproof. As you remember, waterproof means the water will not get through the plastic. It will not drink or soak the water. So plastic is waterproof and comes in many colors. The wood has only one color, but plastic got many colors. You can see the blue, red, yellow. So you have different colors. You can choose your favorite uh, color. So we can make plastic into cups and bottles. Okay, like we buy Pepsi from the market. It's made of plastic. So the bottle made of plastic, and we use cups to drink water, right? So plastic is waterproof, so it is good and right material. Okay, let's talk about the metal. As you know, we use metal to make cars, we make doors, we make chairs and tables and sharpeners, right? So metal use in different things. So why we use metal? Because metal is strong and can be sharp like a knife. So the knife help to cut the tomatoes and different vegetables because it is sharp. But the wood is not sharp, plastic is not sharp like the metal. So metal is strong and can be sharp. We make metal into knives. Knives mean we use to cut vegetables and fruits, okay? And we use forks to eat macaronis, okay? We can eat spaghettis with fork. Okay, you can see the fork here. It is 3 teeth. And spoons. So fork, spoons, and knives are made of metal because they are very strong, right? Okay, so metal is a sensible material for a bike because of the property of metal. So we use metal to make the bike. Rubber is a silly material for a bike. Rubber is not good to make a bike. It is flexible. You can fall down and it will bend easily. Okay, so metal is the best material to make a bike. So let me ask you a question. What is the good material to make a car? Wood, plastic, or metal? Metal is the best for the car because it is strong. So let's talk about the questions. Here is the first question. Here is the bike. This bike is made of rubber. Rubber bike. What do you think? Is it a good idea to make a rubber bike? It's not because it's bending. You can fall down. It can be dangerous. How about this chocolate table? Can you see this chocolate table? This table is made of chocolate. What do you think? Is it a good idea to make a table from chocolate? No, it's not good because chocolate is tasty. You can eat all the chocolate and there will be no table anymore. Or the chocolate will get warm with the sun. Maybe it's gonna warm and all the chocolate melt. Okay, so what would happen if a bike was made of rubber? Yes. Is it a good material? It would bend when you sit on it. Look, this boy sitting on the bike and it can bend easily. It is not safe. 2. What would happen to a table? Can you see this table made of chocolate? It would melt when it got warm. When you put your arm on the table, it's getting warm. So it's gonna melt. You will not have a table anymore. And this is soft. So here are the answers. So today we guys look for what is the best material to look outside the glass. What is the good material to make a bike? Metal. What is the good material to make a table? Wood, but not chocolate. What is the best material to make spoons, forks, and knife? We use metal. What about the bowl, glasses? And there are different choices of colors. So we can use a plastic. How about making chair and tables? The wood is the best material to make chair and table. Thank you so much guys for watching. Have a good day.